Alrighty, y'all, that's just my sugar cookie dough from Pillsbury, along with a little bit of pure cane sugar and my freeze-dried strawberries. Now that we've got all our muffin holes filled with our sugar cookie strawberries, I am going to just obviously pan up my shot glass here, and I'm gonna start making an indentation into each one of these. We are gonna make this a super yummy sweet treat that's gonna be perfect to serve for your next get together. Alrighty guys, we're just gonna pop these in the oven at 350 and we're gonna bake them for around 15 minutes. While those are in the oven, I'm just gonna grab a bowl here. We've got some fresh strawberries that I did just quarter. I'm gonna reserve just a few of them. We've got our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, yummy! And I'm just gonna use, I think we're only gonna need about half of this. Now, what am I gonna use this other half of cheesecake for? I don't know yet, but so many yummy, yummy options. And now to incorporate all this deliciousness, I'm gonna add some of my strawberry glazé. Yum! This tastes so good, y'all. 3 delicious flavors. Let's combine them to make a delicious, delicious treat. What goes better with strawberries than cheesecake and strawberry glazé? Alrighty, everybody, we just let our cookies cool. Now, some of those freeze-dried strawberries, they did kind of turn a dark color, but don't worry, it doesn't affect the taste. Now I'm just coming in with my cookie scooper and that strawberry glazé cheesecake. And we're just putting about half of this large ice cream scooper worth into the center of each of these. Yum! If you are a strawberry fan, this one is for you. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so freaking tasty. Coming in with a little bit of whipped cream. Ooh. I used a lot of this yesterday. We still got a little bit left in here. It's nice to see the whole thing getting used. All right, boys, you ready? Ooh. Hopefully we got enough left over for a taste. Oopsie. Now I've just got my reserve strawberries. We're just gonna go ahead and place one of these onto each of our little treats here. Cheers, everybody. Oh, that was so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.